Okay, I wired up everything.
What? Someone trampoline?
Hmm, that light is not on though. Ketchup and mustard colored wires, which is pretty weird. Okay, easy access. Now this one. Okay, let's close that one. Um, be right back. Hmm, it's touching, alright. Okay, so turns out this one wire is no longer live and it's like not connected to anything anymore. So that explains everything why there was a bridge connection here. Like this one connects to this one. It's exposed right now, but the breaker for it is off. So I'm not too worried. As you can see here, no light is on. Let's just try and bridge this to this one and see if it will turn on. Okay, so I've bridged the connection from this to that to this. As you can see, there's an extra cable here that is not used. This is the dead neutral wire that's not connected to anything. Oh, it's pretty loose. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave it there. So hopefully this light will turn on. Okay, so this is the breaker, and I'm going to flip it on and see. It does absolutely nothing. But wait, I let's check the switch again. Oh, so turns out it's off. Alright. Got my screwdriver here and let's see if this thing will turn on. And voila! It's on! My god. This one is a dead one. Which is quite interesting. I don't know if the electrician know this and didn't do anything about it. And bridge the connection anyway, but I have no idea. But I will just bridge the connection together just in case this actually goes somewhere quite important. I'll just shorten the bridge wires and hopefully it's still alive by the time I continue recording. Alright, so I took it out and I'm going to shorten it with this cutty thingy stuff that I don't really know. So let's go. Okay, so one cool thing, I managed to make two bridges with a single cable. So this extra one serves no purpose and it's going to the rest of the junk. Yeah. So I'll just put this back in the switch and it should be ready to go. Okay. So everything is installed and I think I did a pretty good job there. And I reconnected this thing to the main just in case it connects to somewhere else and that might cause a problem if the other place is not powered on. So I'm just keeping it connected just the way it was. Um yeah, everything should be good. Okay, if I flip this breaker, um the light should turn on. So let's go. One, two, three. And it indeed turns on. Oh, oh, okay. I think I know where the dead one goes. It goes to the kitchen. Okay, this body shouldn't connect to any of the wires, so alright. So let's turn it on. That turns on, but unfortunately the middle switch is reserved for the new bulb. There's not a bulb there, but there's a bulb here, so this one connects to the table. Yeah. Okay, so everything should be good to go and I can just push this inside and align it. to the holes and screw it. Okay, so it's screwed back into place and I don't really want to touch this now. And oh look, there's an extra hole there, but I do not care for it now. So let's put this back and see. Oh, it takes a bit of force. Oh no, it's wobbly. Um, it's wobbly, but a fix, something behind it wouldn't be a problem, right? What if I just make a makeshift washer from this pile of scrap and try to make a washer from it? What I'm talking about is like wrapping the steel stuff around the screw so it can make up for some space and hopefully sit flush with the wall. I'm just gonna wrap the metal stuff, I guess. So I'll just be right back. An unfortunate thing happened. Turns out this screw has this like triangle shape and I cannot wedge anything under it. Like, for example, here, if I tighten it, the object would simply move out. I'm going to attempt to untighten this and then put something like this one behind it and then tighten it as far as I can before the plastic inside breaks. It's wedged between the wall and the actual switch. So I'll try to put the housing in it. Oh my god. Oh my god, what you look at that. It works just like a normal switch. And there's no wibble wobble whatsoever. I consider this upgrade a success. Although it's a bit far from the wall and I might need some hot glue to the side. Other than that, it looks good. Okay, for the moment of truth. Will it turn on? One, two, three. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to turn it on. That works. I like it. And does this work? It absolutely does. So it's a success. Alright.